Alright, a line graph is actually drawn by plotting the points corresponding to the data and then joining the points with line segments. So these are points. So this is a line graph. Okay, this line graph shows the number of teddy bears sold by a retail store in the months of January, February, March, and April. You can see here that in the month of January they sold 100 teddy bears. In the month of Feb they sold approximately 150 teddy bears. Okay, because it's in the middle of 100 and 200. Okay, alright. Okay, in the month of March they sold 300 teddy bears. Alright, and in the month of April they sold 100 teddy bears as well. Okay, so what they do is they draw line segments from one point to another point. So Jan, they drew it to Feb, from Feb to March, and from March to April. So in which month was the sale of teddy bears the greatest? You can see that it happens to be the month of March. Okay, now between which months was there the greatest increase in the sale of teddy bears? Between which months? Between February and March. Alright, so it is very simple. This is how you actually interpret line graphs. Alright. So let me just write down here, greatest number of teddy bears sold in March. Okay, and the greatest increase in sale was between Feb and March. Alright, so there you have it.